Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks to help you achieve your fitness goals. If you're looking to pack on some serious muscle, then you know that nutrition is key. It's not just about hitting the gym hard. What you eat plays a crucial role in your muscle-building journey. Today, I'm going to show you how to meal prep 3 high-protein recipes that are not only delicious, but also super easy to make. These meals will save you time and ensure you get the nutrients you need to fuel your workouts and recovery. First up, we've got a classic: grilled chicken and quinoa salad. This dish is a powerhouse of protein and healthy carbs, perfect for a post-workout meal. Start by marinating 4 chicken breasts in some olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and your favorite herbs. You can let it sit for at least 30 minutes to really soak in the flavors. Throw them on the grill for about 6-7 minutes on each side. Make sure the chicken is cooked through but still juicy. While that's cooking, prepare a cup of quinoa according to the package instructions. Quinoa is a fantastic source of protein and fiber, making it a great addition to any meal. Mix the cooked quinoa with chopped cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and a handful of fresh parsley. You can also add some diced red onions and bell peppers for extra crunch and flavor. Top it off with the grilled chicken, and you've got a meal packed with protein and healthy carbs. This salad is not only nutritious but also incredibly satisfying. Next, let's dive into a high-protein breakfast option: Greek yogurt parfait. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, especially when you're trying to build muscle. Grab a cup of plain Greek yogurt and layer it with mixed berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. These berries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Add a tablespoon of honey and a sprinkle of granola for some crunch. You can also add some chia seeds or flax seeds for an extra boost of omega-3 fatty acids. This parfait is not only high in protein but also loaded with antioxidants and fiber. It's a perfect way to start your day and keep you energized for your morning workout. Perfect for fueling those early morning workouts. Plus, it's quick and easy to prepare, so you can make it even on your busiest mornings. Finally, for all you seafood lovers out there, we have a simple yet tasty tuna salad wrap. This wrap is a great option for lunch or a light dinner. Start with a can of tuna in water, drained and mixed with a tablespoon of Greek yogurt, a teaspoon of mustard, and some chopped celery for crunch. You can also add some diced pickles or onions if you like. Add a squeeze of lemon juice, salt, and pepper to taste. This will give your tuna salad a fresh and zesty flavor. Spread this mixture on a whole grain tortilla, add some lettuce and tomato slices, and roll it up. You can also add some avocado slices for extra creaminess and healthy fats. This wrap is an excellent source of lean protein and healthy fats. It's a delicious and convenient meal that you can take with you on the go. And there you have it: 3 easy, high-protein meals that will help you boost your muscle gain. These recipes are not only nutritious but also incredibly tasty, so you won't get bored of eating the same thing every day. Remember, consistency is key, so try to prep these meals for the week to keep your nutrition on track. Meal prepping can save you time and ensure you always have a healthy meal ready to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more content to help you reach your fitness goals. Keep pushing, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, your fitness journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay dedicated and you'll see the results you desire.